Okay, welcome back to Okanagan Sawmill and Kiln. So I actually didn't video the first bit. I messed up, so it's a bit hard to see, but basically what I'm making is a cart for the kiln. So obviously I can load the logs, the slabs on outside of the kiln and then just roll it into the kiln. Obviously much easier. So it's probably a bit hard to tell because I've laid it on the sawmill, but it's basically 5 foot wide and it's 18 foot long, and then I've got a brace every 18 inches, so, and there's 13 of them, and the tube I'm using is 3x2 by 1/4 inch wall. So I got it all squared, got it all tacked. All I need to do now is get it fully welded, and then I've got to install the wheels. So and I've had a bit of a change of plan about how I'm going to do that, but I think what I'll do is I will get you set up, and yeah, let's start welding. Okay, so it's been a little while since I've been working on the kiln cart. So what I'm actually just working on now is, basically this is how it's going to be. Obviously this is going to be the other way around, and then these will get welded in between the bunks, sort of on the thing, and then it'll roll on, thing like that. So, shush. So what I've got to do is I've started turning them down, so because they were initially too wide to fit into here. So what I'm going to do is I've just got to finish off, take a little bit more off this side. Hey, just got to take, no. So yeah, I just got to take a little bit more off this side, and then they'll look like this, so, which is good. So yeah, I'll get you set up, and I'll just show you a little bit of turning for a moment. The lathe I've got is, it's a Tider, it's a Taiwan made. Yeah, it's not massive, but it's fine with little jobs like this. You just got to take it a little slower. It's not got a huge amount of power. But yeah, it's doing the job, and that's the main thing. So yeah, like I say, I'll get you set up, and yeah, let's get to it. Okay, so I got them cleaned up, so down to size, put a chamfer on everywhere, couldn't get much of one on there, but yeah, no sharp edges, pretty clean, perfect, just what I need. So yeah, I'll now I'm just gonna make another 7 more of these pieces. So yeah, that's the next job. Let's get to it. Okay, that's it. Works very well, nice and simple to pull out. Be interesting to see how it rolls when there's weight on it, but it should roll pretty good. The wheels that I use, the rollers that I use, the same ones that I use on the Sawmill on the carriage. So, but yeah, that's it. I'm very happy with how it looks. Yeah, just like I say, waiting to get some slabs on there. I'll make it a lot easier. Now this whole thing is only temporary. The plan ultimately is to drop the kiln down to this level, and then I'll put some, instead of obviously having these logs underneath, taking it to level, I'll pour some little footings and then bolt the runners to the footings then. But that's it for this project. It's taken a couple of months to do, just on and off with various other projects getting in the way. But I'm really glad that this is done. Really pleased, like I say, works really well. Let's just push her in. So yeah, I mean that rolls super smooth, so really happy with it. Okay, all right, well yeah, that's it for this one. Really appreciate you watching, and we'll catch you on the next one. Cheers, bye.